Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a group on Goodreads. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into goodreads.com. Now, once you're in here, just go to these tabs and click on Community. All right. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to Groups. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, in here in the right panel, as you can see here, we have this link that says Create a Group. Just click on it. And here, name the group. For example, Answer ASAP. All right. Description. Put a description that you like in here. And as you can see here, it has this red asterisk. That means that it is required. All right. And for example, I'm going to type in, let's get rich together. Just like that. And if you want to add in some rules, go ahead and do so. If not, just leave it as is. All right. Now in here, when we scroll down, we'll be able to select a topic or a group or book club topic. All right. For example, business. Subtopic would be employment and work. And once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some tags. All right. Make sure to separate it with a comma. For example, work, then comma, space, maybe rich, comma, space, employment, comma, space, get rich. All right. Once that's done, you can go ahead and select if your group is going to be a public group so that anyone can join, or a restricted group, private group, or a secret. All right. Say, for example, I'm just going to keep it as a private group. All right. And if you want to, you can go ahead and tick on this group is for adults only. All right. 18 plus. Now, if you want to add in like this group meets in real life, go ahead and do so. Display videos at the top of this group's homepage. Now, if you want to add in some challenge questions, just go ahead and do so. Postal codes right here at a country. And if you do have an affiliate website, put that in here. And here are some additional advanced options. All right. Now, once that's done, just hit on create. Now, once done, you can go ahead and invite a member or members. All right. For example, I'm going to add in this person right here. And then we'd hit on invite. Just like that, we just created a group. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you want to access it in the future, go ahead and go to community right here and click on groups. All right. And here you have your group. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.